Damn. Did you see that? He just got the minnow. It's crazy. Hey, I'm gonna put a couple more in.
Did you get it on video?
Yes, I got it on video too. Let me grab some more of those minnows.
Oh, look, he's going for the frog.
Oh, he's going for the frog? I wouldn't think he would go for the frog yet. Here, I'm gonna put a couple more of these minnows in. He definitely likes the minnows.
Oh.
All right, there's some more minnows in.
The frog's like...
Here's the bass. He definitely loves his minnows. I can tell. Ooh. Dang. Goodness. Did he get him?
Yeah.
That was so fast, I couldn't even see. Let me get some more dudes.
He literally bumped into the glass.
Yeah, I saw that. This is so cool. Here, let me get a bigger one. I put a bigger minnow in. See if he'll grab that one. Oh, he's coming around. He's coming around the corner. See if he'll go down and snatch him up.
You post this on YouTube? Show me when the video when it's done.
Alright. Dang, the chub hid up under there, but he just got some of those minnows. Ooh. He's eyeing down that dude. His belly's already getting big. Whew. He's eyeing down that minnow. He is eyeing down that minnow. He just ate a couple. He just ate like 3. And he loves those minnows. He's waiting for that minnow to get close enough. You see him? I'm gonna try to grab more. Put them in. More minnows, more minnows, more minnows. There goes another minnow. Ooh. Ooh, did you see that? Reagan, did you see it? Oh, you gotta pay more attention, Reagan. Ooh. There's another in. There's another minnow. I got so much I might even need more. Alright, there goes a bluegill and another minnow. Ooh, the minnow's swimming over. The minnows are swimming over to him. Here, Reagan, can you close the blind? Ooh, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Is that good?
Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, he just got him. That was awesome. Yeah, because the glare was messing up the video.
Okay.
No, it's just the glare from the blind. This is so cool. Oh, there's a minnow right under his belly. It's like right there. Bro, once he sees it, it's gonna get demolished. Ooh. I think he just seen him.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, grabbed him. You see that? Right in the bushes.
Do they die automatically?
What, the minnows?
Yeah.
I think he's got like a plate in there, or like a, something to crush it. Ooh, he just got that one. Yeah. Crushing the minnow, you see that? Oh, dang, he let it out. It just came out. Ooh, it just went under him. He better turn around. Minnow's right above him. He's going to it. I think he's finishing his other minnow right now because he had like another one in his mouth while he ate that one. There's one in the corner. Boom! Ah, I missed it, I think. There is a frog that I put in there, but he didn't get it. Ooh. I think that was the frog that he just looked at. Yep, just darted over here. Well, if he gets that frog, that'd be cool. His belly would be huge. He's already eaten a good bunch. His belly's nice. He loves those little bluegill. also the minnows, so I need to get the rest of the minnows in before I add the other big fish, because I got some other big fish. Oh, that's a good minnow right there. That is a good minnow. That's about to get crushed. It's about to swim right over him, I think.
He's eyeing up the floor.
Yeah, I know he's eyeing him up. Let me get another minnow. Let's put some more in there. I'll just put a couple more.
Looks like he's like chewing.
And boom. Crush that other minnow. Oh, he's about to crush this one on top of the water, probably. Man, look at that gut. I think he's waiting under the filter because he's waiting for more minnows. I'm about to drop more in. Boom.
Let me grab these out of your way.
Where?
Grab.
Aw, dang. He didn't get it. He's probably full. Honestly, he ate a good bunch. Like, look at his belly. He ate a bunch. We still don't have a name for him, so comment some names in the comments. I think he's either still chewing on one, which is probably what he's doing right now, or he's full. He sees the one right under him. There's also one right behind him. There's the... Ooh. He sees the big dude.
Wait.
Nah, I don't need to go.
Do you know where my collection is? Where is that?
Ooh. Ooh. Minnows are over here. Oh, we just juked him out, right? I hope he gets that one. The big one. The water is murky right now, so it's gonna be hard to see some stuff. I'll just put a good bunch of the minnows in. Probably gonna have to get more tomorrow. So by the time I get up, all these minnows will probably be gone. I don't know why he's already trying to go after that. That dude's probably way too big for him, and I'm pretty sure he's still chewing on a minnow. His belly could definitely get bigger. I love hearing that pop sound when he eats something on the surface of the water. Bro, everything's in a group right there. I don't know why you're not going up right there. I'll probably just go release that frog. He ain't gonna eat that frog anymore. Now he's eating all the minnows. Well, that's my bass. He needs some names.